Today, we're going to discuss the importance of spray painting a steel door. Many people may not realize the significance of this step, but it is crucial for several reasons. First and foremost, spray painting a steel door helps to protect it from rust and corrosion. Steel is susceptible to these issues, especially when exposed to the elements. By applying a coat of spray paint, you create a barrier that helps to prevent these damaging effects. Additionally, spray painting a steel door can also improve its appearance. Over time, steel doors can become dull and worn-looking. A fresh coat of paint can revitalize the door, making it look new and well-maintained. This is especially important for businesses or homes with curb appeal. Furthermore, spray painting a steel door can also provide an opportunity to customize its color. Whether you want to match it to the exterior of your home or business, or simply add a pop of color, spray painting allows for endless possibilities. In conclusion, spray painting a steel door is important for protecting it from rust, improving its appearance, and allowing for customization. It is a simple yet effective way to maintain and enhance the longevity of your steel door.